Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 25th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested. This one, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four-star Sudoku number 8961. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. News of the day. Well, there's a big Typhone Gaemi will be soon in China, and it has passed Taiwan and Philippines. A lot of damage. Yeah, it's the climate change. Yeah. All right. 26. Usually the four stars Sudoku has 24, so 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. The question is this a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can pick. We have 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, then need a 9 here, need an 8 here, need a 4 there, need a 4 here. Yeah, 8, need an 8 there, need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. We have a pair. The 4 and the 1 in this row, first row. The 4 and the 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. And we have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1, okay. 4. Alright. Need a 6. Yeah. Need a 7 here. Need an 8. Come on. Need a 2 here. 9. Need a 9 here. No 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in that row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 9 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. Need a 3 there. 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in the third column, so no 3, in the second column, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 and 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. Okay. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be down. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Alright. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then I need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row. Middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. That means 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Okay. And now 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here, 1 there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here, 1 there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Now. 5, 5. Okay. Need a 5 here. I'm thinking. Need an 8 here. Come on. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 3. Missing 2 and the 3. 2 and the 4. I need a 9 here. Interesting. Come on. Well, yeah. 2, 6, 9. The other should be 3. 3 and 7. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well, in this column, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. So the only place left with a 7 should be there. Then, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left with the 2 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. Okay. 6, 9, and the... Need an 8 here. Need a 5 there. 2, need a 5 here, 2, 5, and the 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. Then look, we have 2 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 8. 3 and 8. We have 8 now in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes in there. Then need 8 here. Need an 8 there also. 6 and a 9. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. We have a pair, the 3 and a 5 in this row, third row. The 3 and a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left with the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 7, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 7. Need an 8 here, 8, and that. 2 numbers left in the first row for number 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left with 6 should be there. 8, and then I got 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. No. 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Almost made a mistake. We already have a 5 here. Then 6 and 4. 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Phone numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, it took me a little bit more time than the previous Sudoku, although it has 26 printed digits. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not a 4, not a 3. Yeah, I've indicated this with a 2. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.